Here's the haul. I'm supposed to meet with my group to practice our presentation. I'm embarrassed to go inside. How big and beautiful it is. Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. I decided to do another Sunday, oh my god, vlog today. I did one a while ago which you guys liked, so I thought it'd be fun to do it today. And full transparency, I'm doing it because vlogging like keeps me accountable and I need to be productive today. And I look like this because I literally just woke up. I'm gonna go grab a cup of coffee to help me get through this morning. But yeah, I have a lot to get done today, and vlogging just makes me like more conscious of everything that I'm doing during the day, so I think it'll help me like stay on track and actually get everything done. But yeah, next week is my last week of classes. And I have my big presentation on Monday, so I'm meeting with my group to practice that presentation this afternoon. And other than that, I just have like a ton of work and little things for all of my different classes, so I'm really hoping to get most of it done today, so then I have all of like the not fun stuff out of the way, and then Monday and Tuesday I like don't have to worry about that much stuff. Yesterday I just like took the whole day off. Really, I did a little bit of work, but mainly it was a break day, which was very nice and very needed. But today I'm ready to get back into the swing of things and be productive again. I'm actually having a bit of a late start today. I woke up at 8:30, which like isn't terrible. It's late for me, but I just didn't set an alarm. I figured I'll just let myself sleep as long as I need to sleep and I'll just get up. But then I just kind of like wasted an hour in my room like on my phone and like whatever. So it's now 9:45. I have a lot to do, but it's definitely manageable. So like I'm not stressed about it. If I just like focus and actually be productive today, I can definitely get it all done. And then I also have some like cleaning stuff I want to do. Like I really need to do my dishes and like do my laundry and stuff like that. And then hopefully get to the gym at some point as usual. The line for this is like all the way around the parking lot. It's insane. Fun fact, I go through the drive-thru so much because I'm embarrassed to go inside and order my like really long order.
Hi, can I get a venti iced skinny vanilla latte with blonde espresso and almond milk, please?
I feel so high maintenance. But you know, I think it's stupid that we make fun of people who have long Starbucks orders, because if I'm gonna pay $6 for a cup of coffee, it better be exactly what I want. How big and beautiful it is. So I order it with blonde espresso instead of the regular espresso, and they thought I meant I wanted a quad shot, so 4 shots of espresso, and thankfully they got it right and they didn't do that. But I was just like, you know how many cups of coffee I drink? If you put 4 shots in this one coffee, I would die today. I somehow just managed to get my awesome parking spot, the exact same parking spot when I got back. I thought I was definitely gonna lose it. So I just checked the laundry room, and by some miracle, there's actually a couple of machines open right now. So I'm gonna run this down there and hopefully catch those. Okay, now I'm gonna do a quick cleanup and like organization of the room, because I know I'll be a lot more productive if my space is clean. So we've got a lot to do. Okay, so now we can actually get to the to-do list. It's pretty short today, nothing too crazy. I think I'm gonna start with writing my letters for seminar, because I have 2 people that we are workshopping. I've already read one of the pieces and made notes on it, so I think I can knock her letter out pretty quickly here, and then read the other girl's piece and write her letter also. That, I think altogether that should take me like an hour, if that. It only took me 10 minutes and I got 1 letter done, but that was the one that I'd already read and made notes and stuff for, so the other one's gonna take me a little bit longer. So is now 11 o'clock. I just finished the second letter and I just moved my clothes over to the dryer. The gym just opened at 11, so I'm trying to decide if I want to go work out now or if I just want to move on to working on something else. The plus side of going and working out now means I can shower and get ready. All right, yeah, I've decided I'm gonna go to the gym. So I'm just gonna upload everything that I have filmed so far today so I can clear out my memory card, and then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna pack up my stuff and go. I don't really know what I want to do today, actually. I think I might just do like a random full body thing and just kind of like bounce around the gym because I'm not really in the mood to do just one thing. So I just got back from the gym and I just put my clean laundry away and I showered and everything, so now I'm making myself some lunch slash a post-workout kind of thing. I'm making oatmeal, not because that's something that I wanted, just because it's literally all I had. I really need to go get some groceries, but I'm gonna put some cinnamon in it, some maca powder, some chia seeds, some peanut butter, and then some apple slices. I don't know. Yeah, it's 1:15. I'm supposed to meet with my group to practice our presentation at, not 1:30, at 3 o'clock. So I'm gonna try and get a ton of stuff done before then. I have a feeling I'm gonna end up working on the presentation more after we meet because I think I'll like know what needs to be worked on afterwards. So I'm supposed to have a meeting with my internship coordinator on Friday, like an exit interview, and so I have to have my reflection paper done before that meeting, and that's Friday morning, I think. I'll be done with my hours for my internship on Wednesday, which is kind of crazy. So that just means I need to finish writing that reflection paper. I've already started it and like brainstormed it, and it's like not really that big of a deal, but I do need to write it. It's like pouring rain outside now, and we just got an email, like a school-wide email about a weather advisory. So I'm really not looking forward to going all the way across campus to the library to meet up with my group. Okay, it's time to head out now. It's still raining, but it's not pouring like before, so I'm hoping to get there before it starts raining like that again. But I just made a protein shake to go with me, and I'm also taking my wallet with me because I think I'm gonna run and go to Subway to get dinner because I really want a veggie sandwich for dinner, and I literally don't have anything here to make dinner with. I am just thoroughly drenched. So I just got out of my group meeting, which went really well. I'm gonna go run and pick up some dinner, and I'm going back and forth with myself over whether or not I want to go get my groceries while I'm there because it's like on the same road and it's right there. I definitely don't think I'm gonna be lucky twice to get that parking spot back. That group presentation is tomorrow. I think I told you that. It's been the thing we've been building up to all semester. Sorry if the rain's like really loud, I didn't think about that. It's a 20-minute presentation, and then we have a 10-minute question and answer afterwards, so we have to stand up there for half an hour. But there's 4 of us in the group, so really that's only like 5 minutes of presenting for each of us, which really isn't that bad. And we just wrote a 25-page paper on this subject, so I think we should all know it by now. I'm like less stressed about it than I thought I would be, just because the rest of my group is so like chill and unconcerned. And I feel like when you have the opposite of that, when you have like a really anxious and stressed out group, you like feed off of each other's energy. So the fact that everyone in my group just like doesn't give a shit, it's not great, but like it's helpful. Change of plans. I ended up going and getting all of my groceries, but now instead of spending even more money on eating out, I'm gonna go to the dining hall with one of my friends tonight because I haven't seen her in like a week because I've been so busy. That should be good. I actually think they have vegan meatballs in Commons tonight, which is unusual. They're not great, but I can eat them. But yeah, I figured like I'm already all the way out here, might as well just get my groceries for the week. I'm probably gonna have to come back soon because I didn't get a loaf of bread, and I think I'm down to like 3 pieces of bread. But I'll show you what I got when I got back. My hair is like soaking wet now. This is insane. Also, for all of my book friends, I have been reading so much. You will be happy to know. Way more than I usually do during school. I finished 2 books last week. I'm almost done with the 3rd. No, I finished 3 books last week. the point is I've been reading a lot. I finished reading The Cruel Prince and The Wicked King by Holly Black, which I was talking about I think in my last vlog. But now I'm reading The Cheerleaders by, I actually have no idea what the author's name for this is, but it's supposed to be like a murder mystery contemporary kind of thing, and I was just looking for something kind of like light and fluffy and fun, and it's YA, so it's kind of more of like a funny murder mystery kind of thing. So I'm enjoying it so far. I'm actually listening to the audiobook. But yeah, if you guys have any book recommendations of recent releases, because I'm super behind on stuff that's been coming out lately, please let me know, because once I get back to Denver and I'm not living in this dorm room anymore, I'm gonna let myself start buying books again, because I like haven't been buying books because I have no room to put them in my room, and I didn't want to accumulate all of these like heavy things while knowing I was gonna have to move soon, you know. So I have just like not been buying books as regularly as I usually do. So I don't have any new releases. I have no idea what's going on in the publishing world anymore. So if you have a recent release that you've read lately that you loved, please tell me so I can go spend all of my money on it. People on college campuses are just insane. The amount of people who just like cross the street, they don't even look to see if cars are coming. Like there's that meme that like all college students want to get hit by a car so people will pay for their tuition. Like literally people do that. They will literally jump in front of your car. I've almost hit several people. It's absurd. People will just start walking. They'll like look after they're already halfway across the street. Like they're already in the center. If someone was there, they would just be screwed. All right, here's the haul. Nothing too crazy. I just got some zucchini squash noodles and some Brussels sprouts. I usually just get these like frozen, but for whatever reason I decided to get these today. Got a couple of potatoes. I needed some almond milk, some more pasta sauce, and veggie pasta. I got some vegetarian sushi rolls just to have for like dinner one night or something. Got some more vegan cheese and a couple of Go Macro bars. Oh, and I also got a bottle of wine. So it's about 6:30 now. I just got back from dinner with my friend a while ago, and I was going through some emails. I had like 3 different people that I needed to email, and I just kind of went over my slides for my presentation tomorrow, and I think it's gonna be just the right amount of time for my talking part, so that's good. And we agreed that we're gonna meet an hour before our presentation tomorrow just to go over it one more time. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog now just so I can like not have to worry about it for the rest of the night. The new season of Game of Thrones, the last season, starts tonight, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. Up until then, I'll probably just be working on a little bit more homework and just like kind of hanging out. So anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Let me know how your semesters are doing down below in the comments if you guys are also in school and you're getting close to the ends like I am. And I will just see you guys at the end of this week with this week's vlog. I'm so not used to vlogging on Sundays. This is kind of weird. Anyway, I'll just see you guys later. Bye.
So hit me. So hit me. So hit me. First a confession. With you, I feel a connection. With you, it's